Hey y'all, how y'all doing this Saturday? I'm just gonna do my makeup really quick and apply my new lock charms that I just received. I got this cute package from Hair Candy Jewelers, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna do my lock charms, but first I'm just gonna finish up my makeup a little bit, and then that's what we're doing. This is like one of my favorite little things to use for my eyebrows. I don't know, I was gonna do all this and then get on and do my video, but I didn't want to wait. I wanted to go ahead and jump on right now and see who would join me on my live while I get ready. I don't know about y'all, but normally I be having like music playing or something, but I'm using my phone, obviously, to be on with you right now, so there would be none of that, unfortunately. Like I said, I've been really busy and really like in a mood these last few days, but God is still good. Hey, how are you? Unearthed, like, girl, I am so happy you got your page back. I was telling my fiance, I was like, oh my God, like, do you know Unearthed Loc'd? Do you follow her? I was like, her whole page, she said that her whole page got deleted. Like, why would they do that? She be putting so much work into her reels, because I know how much time it takes to like edit those videos and like all that. And girl, I was feeling for you, so I'm so happy that they gave your stuff back, because that was too much. They was doing too much on that one. I'm glad you're doing good. I gotta order one of your lock wraps soon. You're on my list of black businesses that I'm going to support, so just be looking out for my order. Like I said, I'm just gonna do this quick makeup. Too dramatic, I know. And then move on, do like my edges and stuff. Hey Sean, I love you so much. Like I said, I'm really excited to be doing this. I'm gonna apply these lock charms live to try and, you know, show some love. Like I said, I got sent these lock charms by Hair Candy. But I'll put her IG handle in the description box. I just want to finish up my makeup real quick. Love you. How's your Saturday going? I heard you've been working hard. I keep doing this like this is the mirror. Getting your sleeve finished. Lucky. Mine still is not done. Got a whole bunch to do. I'm gonna wait till I get back to California to do it though. I'm not gonna. I really am, because I need to do it in one sitting. I don't want to be coming back 2 or 3 times. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know I have my new lip kits and my lippies that just dropped. That just dropped. So check me out. I'll be using a lip gloss to apply while we're on this video. And like I said, I am going to also do my lock charms, so that should be interesting. I'm really excited about them. People have been really showing a lot of love, and I'm just trying to send that same energy out, you know. So I haven't had the best week. If you guys don't know, September is Stillbirth and Infant Loss Awareness Month, I believe. And those of you who kind of follow my story closely, or even just checked out my description or my what is it called, my little box that's on my main page, you know that January 5th of 2020 I lost my son. Yes, bio, thank you. I couldn't think of the word. I lost my son. He was born at 35, almost 36 weeks, stillborn. And that's really how I ended up starting my Loc'd journey. I started my Loc'd journey a month later. Everybody, including my brother, C_Sean, follow him, told me not to do it, but I felt like it was something I needed to do as a part of my healing process, and kind of a memorial in a way for him in his life, because it was something that I had planned on doing for him, was locking his hair, and I obviously didn't get a chance to do it. It kind of serves as a time marker, so I'll be 19 months locked on the 29th of this month, I believe. I'm going to be applying my Cookie Lippy. This is available right now. Just went live last night on my website, www.glossylocks.com. Check me out. It's lip gloss. Is not a color stay lipstick, but it does have a pretty good tint to it. It's really pretty, and it smells so good. So we're gonna just do this lip and move on. I said it once and I'll say it again. I don't put anything in my locks or try any products that, or promote any products that I don't use on myself. Again, I started my Loc'd journey in memory of my son. And so just like I would take care of him and not give him any old thing, it's the same thing I do in reference to my locks, if that makes any sense. Somebody said, how often do I retwist and wash new locks? Wash when you feel like it. I wash my hair when I feel like it needs to be washed. I don't want to have like a smelly head or smelly locks, so when I feel like it's time for a wash, I wash. Right now I'm doing a no retwist challenge for myself. I haven't washed my locks. I'm sorry, I've washed my locks, but I haven't retwisted my locks since June. And I haven't retwisted my locks since June, and I don't plan on retwisting them until my 2-year lockversary, and that will be February the 29th. I don't think there's going to be a 29th this year, because I think it was a leap year when I started my Loc'd journey. But anyways, February 29th. That will be my next retwist. But I don't retwist my hair hardly at all. I wash my hair often. I would say for me, because I have a sweaty scalp. I know that sounds weird, but I normally wash my hair every 2 or 3 weeks. But I don't retwist every time I lock my hair. But every time I wash my hair. But anyways, Hair Candy Jewelers, she sent me this beater. I think this is going to be really helpful when applying the jewelry to my locks. Let me show you what I got. Really excited about this. Unicorn. And then she sent me this crystal with the gold Corey shell on there. That's really cute. And I also got this little heart charm. Really, really cute. And then I got, she included 3 of these different sizes. So I'm gonna keep my hair in the ponytail, because this is how I normally do my hair. Let me spritz it with my Glossy Locks Rose Water. Don't sleep on it, okay? Y'all go get y'all some. This will be like, but it smells really, really good. I make it. I do have a video about how I make it if you check out my reel. But back to this. So I'm gonna put this on my hair. Let me move the camera closer so I can see which one I'm gonna do it on. I don't know where it should go. I want it to hang down. This other piece right here is from Jazz Inspire. Go follow her on her page. This is Amethyst. She did, when I placed the order because I purchased it myself, it did come with like something similar to this, but you know, I customized it, but it's really, really cute. It's been hanging on in my hair, just hanging out there. So we're gonna do this one maybe somewhere. Maybe I'm gonna try it on this lock. This lock is a little thick, but I'm gonna see how it works. I don't know how to use this. I think I go like this, put it in here like this. I think that's how you do it. Don't laugh. And then I think I put my lock through, and then it's supposed to like bead through it. See, my lock is really thick, so I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Yes, I'm doing it right. Thank K-Rob. __K _ Rob. Oh, I think okay, cool. I had to like unfold my lock a little bit. Oh, I did it upside down. Let's try it again. So this way. This is cool. I need to be one of these. And then go like this. I'm not even joking. Nope, that's the same thing I just did. So like this. Wait. Yeah, I'm special. Hold on. So like if I want it to be like this, I have to thread it up this way, right? Then use it like this. Maybe if I do it on the end. My lock is so thick. I have really thick locks. There, it worked. Heard a little rip. Might have ripped my little... That's cute. I might not keep it on this one, but okay. Like I said, she sent me the unicorn. I need to put some of these in the back. Pain is beauty, sure is, because stuff be hurting, man. Be like, you gotta get it done if you want it done. That's really cute. I'll probably look better with my hair down, but I wear my hair up so much. Ooh, that's cute. And it's like you could tell it's like really good quality because I can't, like, I'm trying to like squeeze it and I can't squeeze it, so it's not like bendable, but it's really cute. I really, really like this. It's cute. And let me, I don't have any of these in my hair, so maybe I'll put one. This, look at this, how chunky this lock is. I don't know if these are going to get on this one because I want it to be like up here. But let me do it again with this beater. Okay, wait. I'm simple. Okay, here we go. This one might be easier if I just do it. Oh, there we go. Can't get it up there. I'm gonna move this one because I want it to be more like earring length, you know, like right here. Maybe I'll put it down there. Tell Nick I see him hitting the gym. You tell him. He was on doing something. I think he was on live the other day, and I guess somebody was like, "Where's Danielle at?" I was at work, so I was over here at my desk, and he gonna be like, "I don't know where she at. You get on her live, I can ask her where." And I was like, "You sound like a hater." Like, he was really disturbed. Somebody was asking about me, so you tell him. You have his number, Sean. See Sean. I think it should go a little bit further up. He was just like really upset somebody was asking about me. Like, excuse me. You can like relax. So yeah, you got his number. You tell him you've been seeing him hitting the gym. Okay, I'm gonna do my ponytail over with this one. This is one of my favorite hair ties, so I'm gonna see what to do with this. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, see, that's where I want it. Like hidden on my, like where I would have like an earring, like if it was a dangly earring. That's really, really cute. Send me some pictures of your sleeve progress, brother. Don't look at my messy desk. This is where I work, where the magic happens. So there we go. Again, really cute, really, really cute lock charms from Hair Candy Jewelers. Like I said, I'm going to tag her. I wonder if I should put a little rubber band. I'm gonna put a rubber. She shipped me, like I said, these lock charms, and I love them. I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't lie. So that's what we're doing with that. And again, I'm wearing my Cookie Lippy. No, that's not even the right one. Look at me. My Cookie Lippy, available online right now. I have 4 colors. This one, I forgot what I called this one. It's on my website though. It's a little bit more bronzy color. And of course the pinky, and then the cherry. But she's done. And don't forget to order your rose water. Let me take these pictures. Go like them. It's cute. But thank y'all for joining my live. Like I said, support black businesses, because we doing our thing. We are not playing no games. No games are played. Look at that. It's really, really cute. Again, this one from Jazz Inspired. I'll be tagging all those people, including my website, on this live when I post it. All right. Thank y'all so much for spending a little time with me. Love y'all. I'll see y'all.